students. Yesterday we had discussed about the units of some physical quantities. Today we will discuss about the rules and conventions should be followed for writing SI units. What the rules should be followed for writing SI units? So, rules and convention for writing rules and conventions for writing SI units. Rules and convention for writing SI units. This is an important detail. This detail having 10 points is very easy. Then that the 10 rules you should follow to write the units. Okay. First one, name after scientist. Units name after scientist. What's the meaning that? Name units name after scientist. What's the meaning that? Some scientists give the name of the unit. For example, Henry, Henry. So, Henry scientist name you should write in the full form, should not use in the capital letter, in the initial. So, units named after scientists should not use the capital letter. Okay, should not written in the capital letter. Should not written in the capital letter. What's the meaning that? Written in capital letter. Scientist name fulla எழுதும்போது first letter capital letter எழுதக்கூடாது. So, units named after scientists, unit named after scientist should not be written in the capital letter. Second one, symbol of units, symbol of units, symbol of units named after scientists, named after scientists, symbol of units after scientists should be written in the capital letter. What's the meaning that? Should be written in capital letter. What's the meaning that? For example, you use only the symbol of the unit. For example, H for Henry, A for ampere. You use only the symbol, you should mention in the capital form. First one, you should mention the full form, you should not be used in the capital letter. But second one, you should symbol only used for writing the units, you must use the capital letter. Okay, Henry for H and ampere for A. And third one is small letters used as a symbol. What's the meaning that? Small letters that used as a symbol should not be derived from the proper noun. For example, meter, say kilogram, but unit is kg. First letter and then fifth letter. So K and G. So, small letters are used as a symbol of the unit, should not derive from the proper noun. Should not be derived from the proper noun. That is third one is should not be derived from proper noun. Again, first letters units மட்டும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் எழுதக்கூடாது. சிம்பிள் மட்டும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கேபிட்டல் லெட்டரில் தான் எழுதணும். தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் யூனிட்ஸ் உடைய ஸ்மால் லெட்டர்ஸ் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ண கரெக்டாக ப்ராப்பர் நவுன்லேருந்து எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபோர்த் ஒன் இஸ் fourth point is units are not written in the plural form. Plural form. What's the meaning that plural form? Don't be use the plural form of units. What's the meaning that? Meters only you have to write, not the meters, kilograms and temperatures, not to be used to mention the units. Okay. Fifth point, no full stop and no punctuation should be used. No full stop or no punctuation marks. No full stop and no punctuation marks should be used. What's the meaning there? No full stop and no punctuation mark should be used in between the value and the unit. For example, 10 meter you have to take on out 10 point meter should not be used. Simply is noted 10 meter, 5 kilogram. That's all. No full stop, no apostrophe, no punctuation mark should not be used. And sixth one, temperature to be indicated in the degree Celsius. Temperature will be used. Temperature is written in the form of degree Celsius, written in the form of Kelvin, degree sign to be omitted. Temperature Kelvin format எழுதுனீங்கன்னா degree போடக்கூடாது. But degree formula எழுதுனீங்கன்னா Kelvin போடக்கூடாது. So temperature is written in the form of Kelvin, degree sign to be omitted. But temperature will be mentioned in the degree Celsius, degree signs to be included. Okay. And then 7th one, space should be allotted between value and then unit. What's the meaning that? Space should be allotted. Space is allotted for unit and magnitude, unit and value. For unit and value. Space is allotted between unit and value. Between unit and value. What's the meaning that? 5 kilogram அப்படின்னு சேர்த்துக்கூடாது. 5, some space will be left, that is 5 kilogram. So some space will be allotted between the units and then value. Then 8th one, solid is written in one divisions only. For example, meter per second only you used. Solidus means division part. Division part only one division it will be accepted. Not to be meter per second per kilogram. Not to be written. So solidus only is recommended in the form of only one divisions. That is the 8th point. Then 9th one. Again I tell what is the meaning that plural form. What is the meaning that again plural form means no plural format of units should not be used. And then 5th one, no full stop, no punctuation marks between the unit and then value. And 6th one, temperature should be written in the form of Kelvin, degree sign it will be omitted. It should be written in the format of degree Celsius, degree sign it will be included. And 7th point, space is allotted between the value and then unit. And 8th point, only one solidus is recommended by the division of something. And 9th point, only accepted symbols should be used. Only accepted symbols should be used. What's the meaning that? Accepted symbols should be used. To be used. Accepted symbol means, for example, ampere. Ampere only in the written form of full form ampere. R is the symbol. Don't write it AMP. So symbols only used in the accepted form. Only accepted symbol to be used. So ampere you have to write it in the only full form R used in the symbol, not to be AMP. Okay. Then 10th one, numerical values should be written in proper scientific form. Numerical values should be written in the scientific form. Numerical values should be written in the scientific form. Should be written in scientific form. Numerical values should be written in scientific form. Numerical values should be written in scientific form. For example, mercury. Density of mercury is 1.36 in 10 power 4 kilogram per meter per second. Okay. Don't be used 13,600 kilogram per meter per second. So as such in the value of physical quantity should be used in the scientific form only. So don't be used in the don't be included in the powers. So only numerical value should be written in the form of scientific form. Okay. There are the 10 points should be followed to writing the units. Okay. So students all are read that 10 points and then you have to learn also. Okay. Go for the next one. So length, what's the way the length will be measured? All the ways the length can be measured by using meter scales. Otherwise the spherical objects. You have to consider this object, that is the spherical shape. How to calculate the diameter of the spherical surface? How to calculate the outer diameter or inner diameter? So not the meter scales you cannot be measured this outer diameter or inner diameter. So in the physics we include not only we, our scientists include the vernier caliper and screw cuts to find out the diameter of some spherical objects. This is vernier caliper. Caliper having a long metallic bar having two scales. One is meter scale, that is the main scale, and another one is vernier scale. Main scale having centimeter 0, 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, it will be graduated, and vernier scale having 10 divisions, and then two jaws is the upside and two jaws is the lower size. That is the upper jaws and that is the lower jaws. That is the inner jaws, that is the outer jaws. Vernier scale, it will be used in the three ways. You have to calculate the inner diameter of the one thing and outer diameter of the one thing, and then use through the depth of one thing. For example, you have to consider this object. First you should find out the outer diameter of this object. You fix the lower jaws. You have to fix that the lower jaw, so you should mention the value of this main scale. Okay, but you should know, you want to know about the inner surface of the inner diameter of this thing. You should fix at the top side, and then you should mention the inner diameter of this objects. Suppose you want to know about the depth of this object, you should mention that. So that the three ways that this thing, it will be used to measure the diameter of this one thing. Next I will explain that explain that the vernier scale. Before entering to the vernier scale, explanation of vernier scale, first you should know about the least count. What is the meaning that least count? Least count is nothing but smallest length can be measured by using meter scale. Meter scale you measure pannakudiya lowest value parna least count. Least count of meter scale is 1 millimeter. Least count of meter scale is 1 millimeter. Now we find out the least count of this scale. Least count LC is equal to division of main scale reading, 1 division in main scale, 1 division in main scale, smallest division in main scale, or 1 division in meter scale, either or one, smallest division in main scale by number of vernier scale, divisions. Vernier scale division. Smallest division in main scale, what is that? Nearly 1. Okay, so 1 by number of vernier scale divisions. The vernier scale having 10 divisions. So 1 by 10, that is 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 millimeter, how to convert to centimeter? 0.1 millimeter, 0.1 into 0.1 centimeter. So 0.01 centimeter. So least count of vernier scale is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. So first you should find out the least count of vernier scale. Least count is equal to smallest division in main scale by number of vernier scale divisions. So 1 by 10 is 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter, it will be converted into centimeter, 0.01 centimeter. Okay. Next we will calculate the some errors will be is in the vernier scale or not. First you have to check errors in the vernier scale or not. So what are the errors? Zero error, positive error and negative error. Zero error, what is zero error? The two jaws will be brought near to one another. The upper jaw and lower jaw will be brought near to one another. The zero of the vernier scale and zero of the main scale will be coincide with one another. ரெண்டு ஜாவையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த ஜீரோவோட வெர்னியர் ஸ்கேலோட ஜீரோவும் மெயின் ஸ்கேலோட ஜீரோவும் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகிருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். Suppose it will be joined with one another. Suppose it is coincide with one another, that is zero error. No error it will be in the vernier scale. So that is no error. ரெண்டு ஜாவும் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகி ஜீரோவும் coincide ஆகிருந்துச்சுன்னா there is no error in the scale. அந்த ஸ்கேலில் எரரே இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். Second, positive error. What's the meaning that positive error? Positive error is Suppose main scale division is this, Vernier scale division is this. Vernier scale 0, main scale division shifted to right side. Vernier scale 0, main scale 0 just right side shift ஆயிருந்துச்சுனா that is passed is 0 error. So 0 of the Vernier scale just shifted to the 0 of the main scale, that is passed is 0 error. Then third one is negative 0 error. Negative 0 error. What's the meaning that negative 0 error? That is shifted to right, that is shifted to left. For example, main scale division is and Vernier scale division is just shifted to the 0 of the Vernier scale, just shifted to the left side of the 0 of the main scale, that is negative 0 error. So three errors is there. One is no error, second one is positive 0 error, third one is negative 0 error. No error means is there any error, is not there, and second one positive error means just shifted to the right side, negative 0 error just shifted to the left side. So three errors should be find out, it should be corrected in the total reading. Okay, then suppose you have to consider the positive 0 right 8 divisions. 8 divisions right side shift ஆயிருக்கு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா how will you calculate the error, positive 0 error? 8 into 0.01, that is 0.08 divisions. Suppose the negative 0 error is 4 divisions, 4 into 10 0.01, that is 0.04 millimeter. So that's the way the error to be corrected. Okay, what's the usage of Vernier scale? Vernier scale will be used to measure the diameter of one thing. So how will you measure the diameter of one thing? You fix the lower jaws. For you have to consider that is the lower jaw. Okay, lower jaw, you fix one thing. You find out the outer diameter of this thing. The main scale will be in the position of 7. Okay, so main scale reading is 7. Okay, main scale reading is 7. Then what's the error? It will be situated in the Vernier scale. For example, 0 error is 8 division. So 8 division means 8 into 0.01, that is 8 millimeter. Okay, then next you find out Vernier scale coincidence. What is the meaning of the Vernier scale coincidence? Vernier scale coincidence means there's one line in the Vernier scale, it will perfectly coincide with the one line in the main scale. Main scale உள்ள ஒரு லைனும் Vernier scale ஒரு லைனும் எந்த இடத்துல பர்ஃபெக்டாக coincide ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறது பேர் தான் Vernier scale coincidence. அது எங்கே நோட் பண்ணுங்கள், that is 2. You have to consider 2. So what's the formula for calculating the outer diameter? Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus Vernier scale coincidence into least count plus or minus 0 correction. Okay, what's the formula for calculate the diameter of one thing? Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus Vernier scale coincidence into least count plus or minus 0 correction. I will give one example. You find out the total reading. Main scale reading is 1. Okay, VC is Vernier scale coincidence is 2. Then 0 correction is 0. How will you calculate the total reading? Total reading TR is equal to main scale division is main scale reading is 1 and VC into LC. Vernier scale coincidence is 2 and least count is 0.01 and 0 correction is 0. Then 1, 0.02, so answer is 0.02. So total reading is 0.02. So the diameter of the thing is total reading answers. The total reading is 0.02 millimeter. That is the answer of the diameter of that one thing. Suppose you have the positive 0 error, you will be subtract from the total reading. Suppose you have the negative 0 error, it will be added to the total reading. That is the 0 error, so should not be taken as the next reading. Suppose that the thing having the positive 0 error, suppose positive 0 error is 2. Positive 0 error is 2, so 2 into 0.01, that is 0.02. You have to add this positive 0 error, so you have to subtract to the value, so 0.02. Negative 0 error, you have to add it to the value. So that the errors will be find out, you have to easily calculate the diameter of one thing. So, vernier scale will be used in this: one, outer diameter of the spherical object; second, inner diameter of the spherical object; third, depth of one object. So, three ways the vernier scale to be used. Nowadays in the digital world, the digital vernier caliper also used. Digital vernier caliper, it will be used in the diameter of the one thing, used to find out the diameter of one thing. That the digital thermometer, not a thermometer, digital vernier caliper, digital formed the value, it will be displayed. Okay. So, the vernier caliper used in the various ways. The vernier caliper, first you should note down the least count, and second you should, the error will be presented or not, then the error, how to the error to be corrected, and how to calculate the total reading. That the three you have to know, you easily find out the diameter of something. Okay. Then what is the homework today? Home assignment today. Learn and write rules and convention for writing. Rules and convention for writing. Rules and conventions for writing. SI units. So, this is the homework. This question having a 10 points. The 10 points is very, very important to write the SI units. So, you should learn thoroughly and then write also. Okay. Again I explain the vernier caliper. Okay. How to find out the outer diameter of this thing. So, you have to fix the thing in the lower jaws, between the lower jaws. Okay. This is the, you should find out the outer diameter of this thing. So, you should fix the lower jaws, between the lower jaws. Then main scale having some value, that is nearly 5, that is the main scale division, and vernier scale quiescent will be, should be noted down. So, main scale reading is 5 centimeter or 5 centimeter, and then division it will be noted down nearly, that is 4. Then that is the vernier scale quiescent, and then you have to note down, you have to calculate the total reading. First main scale reading it will be noted out, and what the error it will be is in the vernier caliper, and then you have to note down the vernier scale quiescent also, and then you have to calculate the total reading. Thank you, students.